Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the CNB, Commercial National Bank, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The CNB app is a secure mobile banking solution designed to give customers easy access to their financial accounts anytime, anywhere. With the app, users can check balances, view transaction history, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks remotely. It also supports mobile alerts, multifactor authentication, and account management for both personal and business banking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app for its clean design, straightforward navigation, and dependable performance. It provides quick access to essential banking tasks, making it convenient for customers who want to avoid visiting branches. Features like mobile check deposit and real-time transaction alerts are especially popular for their efficiency and security. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login issues, while others feel that advanced features, such as budgeting tools or more detailed account insights, are limited compared to larger national banking apps. Additionally, technical glitches may appear during updates, which can affect reliability at times. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the CNB app may be worth using if you're a commercial national bank customer looking for a secure and convenient way to manage your accounts on the go. It shines in simplicity, security, and mobile deposits. However, if you need advanced financial tools or broader banking features, it might feel a bit basic compared to larger competitors. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.